chose me before the world was known. He chose me to be His very own. He made me, then let me choose my way. I choose to move away. He loved me when hope had taken wing. He loved me when I lost everything. He bought me. Redemption's work was done through Jesus Christ His Son. Who shall separate me from the love of God? So dreams of tomorrow, pain and sorrow, can't need the food or earthly possessions, the threats of war or man's oppression. In all these things, victory is our reward. Victory is our reward through Jesus Christ our Lord. Of these I am sure, that neither death nor life, nor angels, nor principalities, nor powers, nor things present, nor things to come,